Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best digital rice cooker available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Wait, this tiny cooker just transformed my dinner routine. Unboxing. Sleek stainless steel, compact 2-core body, surprisingly heavy. Model ARC 914 SBD, 4 uncooked yields, 8 cooked cups, perfectly. Touch LED panel, 1-touch presets for rice, steam, porridge, included steam tray, measuring cup, spatula, really handy accessories. Non-stick removable pot heats evenly, cleans quickly, big win. Hands-on, cook jasmine rice in under 30 minutes. Steam vegetables and fish simultaneously. Flavors stayed bright. Programmable delay timer and keep warm for flexible meal prep. Safety interlocks and energy-efficient design great for small kitchens. Pressure, slow, saute presets on larger models. This one's streamlined. Perfect capacity for students, couples, dorms, busy home cooks. Minor caveat, lid is compact, watch for overfilling with grains. Value pick, consistent rice, versatile steaming, simple touchscreen controls. Grab one for easy meal prep, link in bio. Enjoy! Tired of inconsistent rice? Meet your new kitchen MVP. COSORI 10. Cup rice cooker, family size capacity, flawless results every time. Reason 1. 1.8. Function fuzzy logic cooks rice perfectly. No guesswork. Reason 2. Ceramic non-stick inner pot cleans fast, cooks healthier. Reason 3. 2 4-hour keep warm keeps meals ready for busy families. 7-step automated cycle locks in moisture for fluffy rice. Sauté, slow cook, steam and more one pot, endless weekday dinners. Stainless steel steamer basket included, perfect for veggies and proteins. LED countdown and guided display make operation intuitive and fast. Compact matte black design fits dorms, apartments, small kitchens effortlessly. Meal preppers love it. Cook once, serve all week, save time. Healthy cooking? Ceramic coating is PFOA free for safer meals. Cleanup's a breeze. Removable parts and non-stick pot rinse easily. Perfect for families, home cooks, and rushed weeknights leave you juggling dinner, homework, and tired patients. Overcooked or cold rice ruins family meals and causes frustration. Sticking non-stick coatings flake. Worries about unhealthy chemicals persist. Large appliances hog counter space in tiny kitchens and dorms. Complex settings mean guessing water ratios and inconsistent results. One-touch operation starts cooking immediately. No timers, no guesswork. Automatic keep warm switches on when rice finishes, preserving heat. 304 stainless steel inner pot cooks without coatings or toxic residues. Dishwasher-safe inner pot and accessories make cleanup effortless and quick. Graduated water lines and measuring cup ensure perfect rice ratios. Compact 6-cup capacity fits small households, dorms, and busy kitchens. Versatile cooker handles rice, soups, stews, oatmeal, and one-pot meals. Healthy restaurant-quality rice and steam meals without constant supervision. Free up time, help kids, read, relax while dinner cooks itself. Reliable, space-saving, and worry-free, perfect for health-conscious, busy families. Picking a rice cooker? Compare compact models before deciding today. Standard cookers, bulky, single-function, awkward storage, and transport. They often lack precise microcomputer settings for perfect rice. Budget mini cookers, cheap, limited presets, inconsistent texture control. Zojirushi Micom 3-cup. Stainless steel, compact, advanced Micom technology. Multiple presets, white, multigrain, porridge, steam, delay timer, keep warm. Non-stick removable inner pot ensures even heating and easy cleaning. Built-in retractable cord and carry-friendly compact form for portability. Visually, stainless steel finish versus plastic looks durable and premium. Micom algorithm adjusts heat for consistent, fluffier grains every time. 3-cup capacity ideal for small households, students, travelers. Removable inner lid and non-stick surface make cleanup fast. Choose Zojirushi for durability, precision cooking, and travel convenience. Compare price, features, Portability, rushed evenings, soggy takeout, no time for home-cooked meals. Small kitchens, limited space, bulky appliances take up counters. Guessing rice-water ratios ruins texture, wastes time, and food. Busy schedules make healthy steaming and meal prep difficult. Meet the BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker and steamer. One-touch cook. Warm control simplifies cooking, no babysitting required. Automatic keep warm preserves fluffy rice until you're ready to serve. Included 3/4 cup, measuring cup ensures perfect rice portions every time. Removable non-stick bowl and dishwasher safe parts make cleanup effortless. Steaming basket lets you cook vegetables and fish simultaneously. Cooks rice in 20-30 minutes fast. Consistent results. Perfect for singles, students, small households, and busy professionals. Compact, portable design fits dorms, offices, and tiny kitchens. Versatile, makes soups, stews, oatmeal, and one-pot meals easily. Buy now for healthier, quicker meals with lasting convenience.